Well, we just popped over here and we're going to clean these beautiful fish.
Mate, that is a cracking catch of whiting. And I tell you what, looking at these bigger ones, I think I know where I'm going to come for the Pirtek Challenge on the 18th and 19th of April this year.
Well, you know, I'm aware of the Pirtek Challenge and I have been aware of it for a number of years, but I actually haven't participated in it. I know the basic concept, but you want to tell me about it, Steve?
Yeah, well, look, this is its 18th year, and I have fished it every year since it started. Joe and I absolutely love the Pirtek. We sign up and we get our kit. You get a hat and a measuring mat and everything else when you sign up. It's not expensive to enter. This year they've got $300,000 worth of prizes all up, and you don't even have to catch a fish to catch a prize. If you enter, you go in and you can win all sorts of stuff. But then they have the biggest of different species. Like in New South Wales, there's 12 different species, and whiting are one of them. And you know, a fish that size could well put you up on the winner's podium. But the thing is that if you only got one that big and you measured it, there's a secret length as well, so you could win the mystery length. Yeah,
that's cool.
It's a great competition, and what I like about it is the funds generated all go to charities. It's medical research for prostate cancer, which is something that guys like Roger and I need to be thinking about, and also neurological diseases. So it's a really, really good cause. On the 18th and 19th of April this year, if you've never fished it before, make sure you sign up and fish it this year. And if you're a fan from the past, don't forget that it's on again. It runs for the whole weekend these days, not just for one day. Oh, mate, we better get into this.
Yeah, and I reckon I've got to do it now. I've got to go into Pirtek for sure, 100%, Steve.
Absolutely.